Gentlemen, appreciate you joining me. Maybe you could just introduce yourselves, and then would love to ask you about, what Amazon AWS is doing to really deliver a great smart home experience out there for our users and just users in general.
So my name is Olivier Bernard. I've been with AWS for 2.5 years, and I am part of an organization called the Worldwide Specialist Organization, and I'm an IoT specialist. My role within AWS is to help bring our services and products to market to customers and OEMs, connected products specifically this morning.
Well, fantastic. Thank you for joining us. I know it's always a fun, exciting show to see all the latest innovations. Maybe you could just educate our audience a little bit about kind of what is AWS doing to support a great, smart home experience out there for consumers.
So the value of the smart home is the ability to take consumer products and connect them to the cloud so that you can offer your customers convenience around perks, security, cost savings, and just using all the devices in your home in general. So what AWS does is we have a slew of services that allows you to connect those devices, commission those devices, provision them, and then have the data, the telemetry from those devices being gathered into the cloud where you can make all kind of intelligent decisions. You can create routines, you can automate functions, and at the end of the day, you want to deliver convenience for the consumers.
Yeah, absolutely. And, kind of in terms of some of the benefits, kind of that consumers are going to see, maybe even for ULTRALOQ users, ULTICAM users, our new security camera brand. What are some of the benefits that they're going to see from, brands that are actually kind of working with AWS to deliver their services?
So it's all about automation and convenience, right? So for example, I have a ULTRALOQ door lock, right? So now I can literally leave my house without keys. Right? And I can give access to people to my house. So somebody comes in, my kids come in, they can either punch a code and enter without having keys, without losing their keys. Or from a camera standpoint, you can provision your cameras around the house so that it's safe and it's secure. So you can leave your house knowing that somebody is guarding your house.
Yeah. And I know that, kind of in some of these spaces, and, we're talking about access control and cameras, certainly, security, privacy are, very important to a lot of consumers out there. Maybe share a little bit about, kind of AWS's kind of work on that front to really protect and, keep everything safe out there for everybody.
So security is all about monitoring your home, right? So you got all those cameras looking for actions. And so you want to take action when something unusual happens, right? So if somebody's loitering in front of your house, you want to know that somebody's loitering. So what we offer is a slew of services where the camera will record, then transport the data to the cloud. And then in the cloud, we have routine that can do computer visions or can do analysis of behaviors. So if you see the mailman coming in, the cloud will automatically recognize it's a mailman, it's a normal person. But if you got somebody who's kind of looking at packages that have been left from your house and looking around, you can recognize their behaviors, and then you can take action. So from the cloud, that means you can call a security service camera, or you can call the police, or whatever it is that you set up in your routine. But at the end of the day, you have this peace of mind that somebody's watching what's going on around your house, and you don't have to be there.
Yeah. Very exciting vision. Thank you both for joining me, and I think our consumers out there have a pretty phenomenal future to look forward to. So, yeah, thank you both.
My pleasure.